Remington Sportsman. I've had this for 14 years and I love it. But these screws get loose. So I've tightened them a couple times and done doing that. I'm just gonna get these tightened, hopefully for good. You can see I lost a screw on the bottom. This one is loose. You could see it. Quick fix, quick video, thread lock. Your Torx 10, T10 star bits with an impactor. And I'm gonna crank these suckers down. I just ordered a black one, so I'm pretty excited for that. All right, just suck these out. So short. So short and dirty. All right, so that's it. So you've got the blade on the top post and you've got, I don't know, nylon, plastic washer there on each side of the blade. And then on the two handle screws, you have posts and then little washer metal bushings that go on the post. And then your tiny little Torx screws. And of course, both handle pieces. So I'm gonna clean all this up. I like these knives. I think they're great for beater knives. Like, they're easy to take apart. These screws are just so short. I like the serrated. I use the serrated edge a lot. And I like that, like, there's 3 sets of teeth. Like 1, 2, 3. Other knives will have, like, you know, just 2. I like the shape. It's kind of like it's almost like an arrowhead or something. All right, let's get the silicone. Put it back together, then we'll do the thread lock. Cinch it down. That should do it. Quick fix, I'll put this down below and this thread locker and the impactor I use. All right, keep on knifing.